Lumipol.
Yan, tingnan mo sa ating official photographer. Lapit pa po na onte. Thank you.
Double time picture.
Almost a grand premiere night, guys. Ano naman ang message yung dalawa sa mga banda nag-intay? Nag-mall show tayo, nag-ticket selling tayo. What is your message to all of the There you have it, guys. Na ngayon, pwede mo pumasok. Ating cast, thank you so much for joining us.
Reserve mo na dyan.
Dahil ano yung makunis na?
Yeah, reserve mo yun.
Yan, May 6 in cinemas nationwide. Now it is time to call the cast of Almost Us. Please welcome Lotan Bustamante.
Counting hintay na lang, and I'm pretty sure mapupunyan kayo tonight dahil ito lang ang iisipin nyo buo.
Good evening, everyone. We're so excited for you guys to see the film. Thank you for coming out to Tuesday Live. Yes! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. I'm Yuki Takahashi. Sana at grabe, sobrang galing ng JM Kiam. At sana, pinigil kayo!
Good evening, everyone.
The perfect Kenzo! That's you!
Congratulations sa lahat ng buko.
At eto na po. Please welcome.
Ayan. Excited na ba ang lahat?
Yeah!
Thank you sa pagdala ng oras. And syempre, huwag niyo kakalimutan. After ng film, ipalaganap po natin ang magandang balita. Di ba?
Ito na pamilya mo, JM.
Ayun, nahiya na ako. Wala na.
And of course, Dad Joshua.
Shoutout sa nanay at tatay ko dyan. Kung nasan man kayo lupalog na upuan. Sana pagka napanood nyo, close your eyes. Especially sa tatay ko, please close your eyes. Thank you for understanding.
And of course, go ahead.
Direct Dan Villegas.
Correct. Andyan direct.
Alright guys, tulad po natin, Almost Us cast and our legal executive, Direk Danas, for joining us here. And we can't wait to see the film.
Okay, we'd like to request out the cast of producers. Your seats upstairs na as we...
Photo. One quick photo muna tayo.
Kenzo, just blessing you and the first time sa Marita and the very promising Yuki Takahashi. We're missing JM Salvado ngayon, but it's so good. Okay, have your seat.
Suchi Caballero, please stay with us for the opening prayer.
Okay, I'd like to thank for supporting Bianca Rivera. Thank you so much for
JM,
yan!
Ready ko. Saan? Ready ka na for Halika na, halika na! Umalis na ka. Salamat po. Excuse me. Nakakatawa.
Layla! Layla! Dito ka dyan! Yan ka! Lloyd! Hindi lang ko din, Wendy. Ikaw, ano? Ang init. BP.